Welcome Primary 5, Nisima Ahmed is with you. Today we will continue in Unit 2, Concept 2, Lesson 6. In this lesson we will start with the Sun. The Sun, as we said before, it's a medium star. There is another star bigger than the Sun and another star smaller than the Sun. The Sun is the only star in our solar system and it's located in the center of the solar system and it makes all the planets revolving around it in fixed orbits. The sun appears bright in the sky because it's larger object in our solar system. And we see the sun bigger than other stars because the sun is the closest star to Earth. And the sun provides the Earth with light and heat, which are necessary for the life on the Earth. So the sun is a star. What are the stars? Stars, they are giant spheres. What is the meaning of the word giant? Meaning very, very, very big of super hot gases. These stars are giant spheres that consist of super hot gases, but most of these gases are hydrogen and helium. So, stars are giant spheres of super hot gases. Most of them are hydrogen and helium. So, stars appear bright in the sky due to the burning of gases or due to the combination of hydrogen and helium, and this combination produce light and heat and make the stars bright. How does the sun produce light and heat? Energy. Okay, the sun uses the energy produced from the reaction between gases inside it to give off the heat and the light. So the sun produces heat and light energy, or the sun appears bright, or the stars appears bright due to the combination between helium and oxygen gases. Example for scientists that make a great effort, okay, to explain the how the sun make its energies. Nicholas Copernicus, as we said before in the last concept, that Nicholas Copernicus proved that the sun is the center of the solar system and the earth revolves around the sun. And Albert Einstein, he explained how the sun converts the matter into light and heat energy. How the sun converted? By the burning or the combination of hydrogen and helium gases. That's that's the scientist which is called Nicholas Copernicus, and that's Albert Einstein. Okay, as we said before, the sun is the biggest body in our solar system. So the sun has the biggest mass and it has the biggest gravity. And this big amount of gravity force allow the sun to attract 8 planets and more than 200 moons to revolve around it in fixed orbits. Some scientists believe that the number of stars in our universe is more than the number of sand grains on the Earth's beaches. Okay, stars help us to understand how our galaxy and other galaxies are formed. Let's talk now about the galaxy. You are living inside the Earth, and the Earth is a planet inside the solar system, and the solar system is apart from another bigger object which is called galaxy. Galaxy is a group of stars, planets, and gases held together by the gravity. So, galaxy, as you can see, all these bright points in the galaxy are stars. So, galaxy is a group of stars, planets, and gases that held together by the gravity. And that's also another galaxy. So you are living Earth. Earth is a planet from the solar system, and solar system is a small part from the galaxy. The universe. The universe contains millions of galaxies. So you live in Earth, which is the part of solar system, and the solar system is a small part from the galaxy, and the galaxy is a small part from the universe. So the universe, it's a wide space. This space we cannot calculate its start and its end until now. So it's very, very large space that contains celestial objects like stars, galaxies, comets, meteors, and the human made in the universe satellites as the International Space Station. And that's a very small part of the universe, and all of these bright points or galaxies. Okay, using the technology to study the universe is so big and we cannot see the universe by our naked eyes from the Earth. So we use some technological tools to help us to study the universe and see the far stars and galaxies from us. Some of these tools are binoculars and telescopes. The first binocular was made by scientists called Galileo, and we named it by Galileo binoculars. And also telescope, and the biggest telescope that we have is Hubble telescope. So the technological tools that help us to study the space are Galileo binoculars and Hubble telescope. Okay, if you look if to the space by using the telescope, you cannot see the very far stars and galaxies from us due to the presence of the atmosphere. Do you remember what is atmosphere? Atmosphere it's a mixture of gases that surround the Earth. These gases doesn't help us to see the very far stars and galaxies from the Earth also by using the telescope by the presence of the atmosphere doesn't allow us to see the distance or the far stars and galaxies. And we must know that atmosphere help the Earth uh, or protect the Earth from harmful radiation that's coming from the sun, and it only allow the useful radiations from the sun or useful sun rays to enter to the Earth, but the harmful sun rays that coming from the sun it prevent it from enter the sun. Thank you for listening. Sorry, prevent it from enter the earth. Thank you for listening. Miss Nila Ahmed was with you.